presence of our Lord. Dear God, in Jesus Christ's name, Lord, thank you so much for this wonderful day. Thank you for this group of people. Bless us. This is Anna, Harry, and the whole team of Taurus Farm and Resort leaders. We have exciting day today with the whole team. We're going to have a strategic planning, and we booked one day in Sonia's Garden in Tagaytay. So right now we're on the way to Chixmiotit to get some good lunch, and we will proceed to our planning. So, are you excited, Eric, for planning for Taurus Farm?
Yes.
Yeah,
of course,
so
usapan namin what will be the strategy of growth for this
year
2025.
2025.
So exciting yung mga ganong klaseng anong strategy ang gagawin namin.
So, this is the first time we're doing the strategic planning for the whole team. Sana we will come up with a really good decisions, and we are really excited about everything that's going on. Okay ka na, Ninya? Okay na yung sa likod? Buhay pa? Parang tahimik. It's okay, we're almost there. We're gonna get some food.
Uy! Bigat ng likod ha. Okay guys, ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Chixmiotit. Kapatid Wilma, kapatid Jeric, bago kami pumunta sa aming strategic planning, kakain muna kami ng masarap na pagkain na galing sa restaurant nyo, Chixmiotit. Yan. Okay, sino first time dito? Si Chris lang na, ay, first time. Ayun, mga first time sa Chixmiotit, para matikman nila ang masarap na pagkain. Kahit Monday, ang dami pa rin tao dito. Yan. Barkada set. Nagdadatingan ang aming pagkain. Ayan. Si Chris, excited. Ayan. Ayan na doon. Ito pa, grabe. Marami na, tapos meron pang dumating na ulo. Kamusta first time, Chris? Solid. Solid, yeah. Yan, no? Sarap. Ano? Oo, ano niya? Bundle E and bundle C. Oo, grabe. Dalawang bundle lang to. Tsa. Iyak kami dito. Paano namin upusin? So titignan natin ngayon kung magkakasya pa itong mga to. Parang nagdoble ang mga sizes ng mga kasamahan ko. Kasya parang bigat ng sasakyan ngayon.
Kasya pa rin. Here sa Sonia's Garden.
Accommodation overnight. Ilang piso? 12. Thank you. Thank you po. Ayan, ready na. Nandito na kami sa Sonia's Garden. May dadaan. Okay, nandito na kami. Papunta na kami ngayon sa registration. Pinapunta na kami ni Kuya. Ayan, ganda. Ayan na sila. Picture na daw sila. Ganda sila sa mga, ito yung bagong venue yata nila. May kasal yata mamaya. Bago na ang office nila. Dito na. Tapos ito, nakita namin si Tita Sonia. Tara, uy. Yes. Ang ganda ng kanilang welcome drinks.
Welcome drinks po.
Welcome drinks. Yes.
Ay, picture tayo.
Okay, dito na kami. Punta muna kami sa aming rooms. Quiet zone. Oh, ito yung tinigilan namin before nung nandito yung family ni Ana. Itong eksaktong room na to. Itong lavender, yes, our favorite, lavender.
Sir, yung isang cottage niyo po.
Okay. Teka, balikan ko. Ito pala yung next room namin. So, dalawang nakuha namin. Ang laki din ito. Siguro dito yung mga girls. Oo, ganda. Tapos dito siguro kami ni Ana. Oh, tama. May sariling banyo din. Okay. Tara, balik tayo sa... Dito kami mag-strategic planning. Ayan, teka yan. Nagkanya-kanya na. Lalaki ng mga kama. Dito si Kuya Leo, parang hari. Kaasolo niya yan. Dito si Sir Miel. Tingnan natin, nasan sila ano. Dito si Chris at si Yanyan. Oo.
Chris, doon ka kasi doon, boys. Doon kayo, dito ako sa
Diba? Dito daw mga all girls.
dapat baligtad. Kayo dito. Doon sa kabila. Kasi mas marami kami eh.
Okay, nag-ano muna si Ana ng tea para sa mga girls. Para sa mga kinain namin kanina. Okay, tea. Ha? Ano ba? Check natin.
Dear God, in Jesus Christ's name, Lord, thank you so much for this wonderful day. Thank you for this group of people. Bless us. Give us wisdom, Lord. Empower us with your word and give us great time to bond and have a solution on many aspects that we want to improve. Let us grow as a leader.
So this is our chance to look back on our journey, assess our progress, and map out where we want to go next. Ano nga ba yung patutunguhan natin itong 2025? So our shared goals remains the same naman. To make Torres Farm a top destination by providing, of course, unforgettable guest experiences. So we are promoting hinihingala ko sa
Guys, tayo together. I'm sure Emil, you did the creating magic, so there's no one smarter than all of us. This phrase really touched me because all of us together, we are way more smarter. That's why, Eric, you will not reject your idea. Part of your job is to suggest and give yourself a go to create, to make something. Don't be afraid that someone will not accept your creation right away. But we are here to support you guys, number one. And number two, I want you guys to buksan yung imagination nyo. That's why we brought you here. This is one of our favorite places. Why? Because it was outside the box. When they started, like, I don't know, 20, 25 years ago, outside the box, it means there's no such a thing before. Now, there's a lot of people copying them. Us, let's create. Create, it means we're still a baby. Torres Farm is still a baby. We still have so much.
Okay, so tapos na yung first part ng aming strategic planning. So, break time muna kami. It's 4 o'clock, 4:30. So, mag-ano muna kami yung kanilang parang farming. Itutour kami ng staff ni Tita Sonia yung farming dito sa Sonia's Garden. Let's go! Tita Sonia, yes. kayo, hindi pa nakakarating sa Torres Farm. Bisita naman kayo.
Iyain ko sila, Mikey.
Yes, so lagi nga.
10 minutes away from her.
Yes, sobrang lapit. We're neighbors.
Okay. Because I've seen his place.
Yes.
And I gave him a tree like that.
Oh.
I'll give you also some supplements when it's done. And then, so you can draw that over.
Okay, punta na tayo sa kabilang side ng Sonia's Garden. Ito pa rin yung mga halaman nila. Enjoy na enjoy ang mga girls. Mulberry.
Hilag pa po yung bunga niya.
Oo. Mga greenhouse, yung mga leros nila.
Ayan po, ito pa. Ito po yung buto niya. Can I give him oregano?
Pero sa amin, mabilis tumawa yung ganyan nung tito ko. Kaso nakawala.
Pero may amoy. Ay, hindi siya. Si po.
Gusto ko ng ganito.
Ubos agad.
Actually, hindi ito yung paghawak-hawak. Basta papakain nila.
Tayo sa nursery. Pina-enjoy kung ano-ano mga nakuha nila at ano-ano mga pinagtitikman. Lalo na yung magic bean.
Yung iba matamis.
Matamis daw lahat. Okay, now we're gonna check the massage place. Our favorite, namin ni Anna. But I don't think we have a time for this.
For lunch po.
Ayan na, si...
I hope you'll enjoy our food.
Okay, dinner na daw muna kami. Thank you. Okay. Uy, healthy. Talaga, ha? Kailan pa?
May bata po kasi naghihintay mo.
May pata. Oh, may pata pa pala. Okay, sige. Chill lang. Ano lang ngayon? Salad-salad lang daw, kunyari. Oo. Pasta. Uy, ano yan? Ha? Dami. Grabe. Pinakbet. Soup. Okay, babalik na kami sa aming cottage at start kami ulit ng aming strategic planning. Halfway na ba tayo o hindi?
I think sa reports lang.
Oo.
Meron pa yung other things to do.
Okay. Paano ko kopihin ni Kuya Leo? Kuya Leo, ano sa'yo nakasalalay? Ayan.
Yeah. Sino yung next?
Parang second already on the second part. With our operations manager, Mr. Angel Escueta. Sir, I'll be giving you 2 hours together with Sir Leo to discuss ano po yung strategies and development that we are eyeing for the next coming quarter sa operations po natin.
Oh my G! Napakahaba naman yan.
Sige, sir. We were able naman po to update our company
12:31 a.m.
ng company handbook.
That's HR.
Comply with the latest labor laws and regulations. Ensuring
Good morning, everyone. So it's 8 a.m. and we're gonna eat breakfast. Nauna na yung ibang team. We finished last night ng 1 a.m. Parang hinahina natin, binilisan na natin kagabi. Oo, so dapat pala.
What's with this understanding already? Anything?
Oh, there's a cat there with the... Put it in your sanctuary.
No, that's kay Mom.
Yes, these are the cat ladies. These three.
Meow meow.
Okay, we're gonna go breakfast. Okay, we're gonna go. Good morning. Thank you. The girls and the boys. Nauna na. Mga nagutom agad. Kanina pa kaya?
Healing Haven. So, Ma'am Sonia call it Healing Haven kasi you don't need a gym equipment para mag-exercise. So, kailangan mo lang dito is maglakad. So, this is more or less 4 hectares. Pero hindi naman natin iikutin lahat. Apo, just itong isang part lang naman. Pero if you want to do the trek, we have a short trekking area dito. Pwede namin i-guide. Just, kung halimbawa gusto nyo lang ikot. So, yung pupunta natin is like a natural spring pool. Within the water is from the spring. That's also potable. Pwede siyang inumin. And then yung mga tubig that we serve in the restaurant, it's from here. So we have different sources of water dito. And then ipinapump niyan going to our filtration. And after that, pagdating sa station, we have a Kangen machine to evaporate the Kangen water. So yun po yung cycle. So later on the area, wala tayong comfort room pa kasi still on the development plan. So we're more than 200 employees.
Wow, 200 employees.
All of us believe in the community. So, Ma'am Sonia call it social fencing. Lahat ng empleyado believe in the community po. Yes po. Sabi niya, Ma'am Sonia, life is not equal.
Hindi, wala. Baka balikan nyo. Baka may YouTube pa that time.
Jump.
It's a natural water po.
May
Parang mali na ano ko.
Yeah,
promise. Tapos ano, you know the best way to lose weight is swimming in a cold water.
Yeah.
Ma'am, parang kailangan ko pantayin yung mga gamit.
Ako na magabantay.
Ayan si Chris.
Jump tayo together, parang may vlog tayo. Dito tayo tapos jump. Whoosh!
Si Chris maganda reason para payagan ulit siya.
Go yan!
1, 2, 3, go!
Alam ko yan!
Go! 1, 2, 3. Oh, go! 1, 2, 3, go! There you go!
Ano ba, malamig?
Okay, so tapos na kami sa aming river activities. So, pabalik na ulit kami and mag-check out na kami. Sila nagkukwentuhan.
Para mabilis. Yes, para mas mabilis. Better magsimula.
Alice, look at that. Anna found something Russian.
It's a music box.
It's our bathroom. So relaxing. We're here and we're going to Tita Sonia's house.
Last time nagpunta kami dito sa Sonia's garden ng bahay ni Ma'am Sonia. Under construction na siya. So ngayon, she told us that tapos na yung construction and she's inviting us for the tour.
Let's go. Okay, pupunta muna kami sa proposal garden. Baka si Kuya Leo dalhin si Ate Gina dito. Alaman na. Si Nina dadalhin yung kanyang galing Japan. Garden. Sino? Idea. Sino yung dadalhin dito?
Ganda pa rin.
Isang Korean garden.
Yeah.
Wala siya masyado
Ano? Nagutom na mga to. Nag-lime and basil na. Lunch nila. Anong oras na? Alas 4. Dito kami sa Lime and Basil, the best Thai here in Tagaytay. Oo, patay.
Okay na rin, madami na ba?
Yan na, mga pagkain. Thank you, Chef.
Lahat kami ko sarap. Pagingisa.
Oo, sarap na ice cream na yan.